Ningbo MH Embroidery Lace is a whole industry chain enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales of embroidery lace products including chemical lace, cotton lace, lace skirt, tulle lace, multicolor lace, solid lace, embroidery with print, laser lace, lace with metallic embroidery, fringe lace, eyelash lace, Raschel lace, sequins lace, positioning embroidery, motif and lace collar, and other fashion accessories. MH Lace Factory has 17 sample production lines, 80 R&D engineers, 1,260 workers, and 506 sets of all kinds of shuttle computerized embroidery machine, which being imported from Switzerland, Japan, and South Korea, 16 sets of inspection equipment, and 21 dyeing production lines, and Germany Montfort's fabric width setting machine, automatic dye auxiliaries weighing and conveying system, annual production capacity of 30 million square meters. MH provides not only lace products, but 360-degree customized embroidery lace, 52 lace categories, 200,000 lace pattern cloud library, providing designers with endless fashion inspiration, 80-person R&D team, 17 sample production lines, 100 new design and samples each month. Customized lace fashion comes true easier. 19 new product patents, 60 pattern copyright every month, original plus copyright protection, exclusive right for each customer, making fashion going to global market easily. 90-person consultant team, one-to-one customer service. Let customers feel relieved and convenient is our service objective. 18 standardized product inspection processes, zero defect management system. Quality is the first important. From idea to sample, within 1 to 3 days. From sample to bulk products, within 2 to 3 weeks. Exclusive design. Fast delivery is what we promise to our customers. Now MH has become a designated supplier of many clothing brands. Also, MH Lace Factory has honors as High-Tech Enterprise, Fabrics China Pioneer Plant Embroidered Fabric, Copyright Top 10 of Ningbo. Choose MH Lace, embroidery fashion, and lead lifestyle.